I know the truth hurts, but come on. Aha! Now I see why you're such a grump. You're really hungry, right? Yep, I knew it. I can read you like a book. Hey, look, Piplup. It's Lake Verity. Oh. Uh-oh, that's all that's left. We used all the rest for bait.
What are you doing? Man, you sure can be a stubborn Pokemon when you want to be. Oh, come on, you are too. Of course. That explains why you didn't dodge when I told you back when we were battling with Paul.
2, 3.
Come on, you can't fool me. I knew you were hungry. Here, you can have half of mine.
There's that old familiar song.
Star City.
This ain't food, it's foliage. Restaurants throw out this garbage at the end of every day.
That's it.